I'm going to show you how to set up the iPhone 15 Pro as well as the Pro Max step by step. First thing is power it up. Press and hold that power button until it boots up. Once it boots up, you should be here at this welcome screen here. What you want to do is slide up from the bottom like that. Now we want to go ahead and choose our language. I'm going to go with English myself right there. Select your country or region. I'm good with the USA. I'll tap on that. Appearance, choose the size of text and icons on the iPhone. So default is here, medium is here, and you go a little bit bigger there. I'm going to go with medium for myself. I will tap on continue. Here you can do a quick start by bringing your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay, so if you want to do that, if another iPhone device, do that. Or you can just simply just go here, set up without another device. So for me, I'm going to go with the one down here. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi network here. I'm going to enter my password. After you input your Wi-Fi password, tap on join or join down here. It doesn't matter. This may take a few minutes to activate your phone, so let's be patient here. There's a software update. You can update now or you can update later. Important, update your software now if you want to transfer your data directly from another phone, another iPhone. You can update later if you plan to download from iCloud or set up your iPhone as a new device. Okay, so that's up to you. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and update now. Go ahead and read the terms and conditions, and then you must proceed. You must agree to proceed. Okay, so read through that if you want, and then tap on agree. Downloading software. It says verifying update now. Now it's restarting. Now we get a progress bar here, so you just need to wait. So we're here now at data and privacy. Go ahead and read through that, and then you can learn more. You can tap on to continue. Set up iPhone. Do you want to set up for yourself or for a child in your family? For myself, it's for myself. So I'll tap on that. Face ID password, you can continue to do it now, or you can set up later, and you can never set it up if you wish, but I'm going to set mine up now. Let me tap on continue here. And then from here, I'm going to tap on get started. And now I'm going to go ahead and look in the square. I'm going to wait till it turns round. Okay, and then I'm going to circle my head. Just like that. Pretty fast. Use Face ID with mask. Use Face ID with mask. Or don't use Face ID with mask. For me, I'm going to don't use with mask right there. Face ID is now set up. Let's tap on continue. Let's create a 6-digit passcode password. So go ahead and pick your 6 digits. After you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm one more time. So my second time here. And now it's moving along. You can see right there. Transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like photos, your videos, your notes, reminders from the old device onto your new device. Okay, you can do that if you can do it from a iCloud backup, from another iPhone, from a Mac or PC, Windows computer, or from an Android phone or tablet. Okay, if you want to do that, bring the device over next to the phone here, or you can don't transfer anything. So for myself, I'll pick don't transfer anything. I want a clean, fresh install on this phone. Here is asking for your Apple ID. If you forgot one, you can click on there. You can also skip this and do it later. For myself, I'm going to skip it and do it later. So I'm just going to tap on forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. And for myself, I'm just going to check setup later in settings for myself. I'll put don't use just for now. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through that. And then if you agree, tap on agree. Update your phone automatically, or you can only download automatically. That's up to you. Okay, I want automatic, so I'll tap on continue. iMessages and FaceTime. Go ahead and read through this, and this is up to you. Most of you guys would tap on continue, but for myself, I'm just going to put not now, and I'm not even going to set that up. Location services, that's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and enable it for myself. Set up cellular. Don't forget, these new iPhones don't have a SIM card. So if you have another phone you can go ahead and transfer that directly, the phone number onto here, like I have another iPhone 14, or you can use a QR code. For myself, I'm getting a new number and I'll be using a QR code. So for this, I'll just have to set up later in settings for myself. Here's the setup Siri, hey Siri, or you can press and hold that power button and say, hey Siri, what's the weather, and so on. Okay, if you want to do that, you can continue. For me, I'm going to set up later in settings and probably not even use it. Screen time, read through this. If you want to do it, tap on continue. For me, I'm not going to do it, and I'll just tap on set up later in settings. Phone analytics, you can share with Apple or don't share. That's up to you. It's a preference. Myself, I will share with Apple. Same with the app analytics. You can share with app developers or don't share. That's up to you. For me, I'm fine with sharing with them. Light or dark display. You want the light, dark, or you just want to go with automatic. I like the dark all the time, just like that for myself, and I will tap on continue. Silent mode. You can toggle silent mode on and off or check its status in the control center. Okay, so tap on continue. To get the control center, when the phone's set up, you want to go up to the right and then slide down from here, from the very right, slide down, and that'll give you your control center. Action button here, go ahead and read through this. If you want to customize, tap on customize. For me, I'm not interested, and I'll put not now, and I can always go back later if I wish after setup too. Emergency SOS, go ahead and read through that. You see here, press and hold for emergency SOS. So basically, if you're in an emergency and you need to call 911 or whatnot, you can press and hold the side button and either volume button to make an emergency call, okay? Now tap on continue. Welcome to your iPhone, swipe up to get started right there. And there you go. We are in business. Good luck.